Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you two methods about how to transfer your YouTube music playlists between accounts quickly and easily. If you've ever switched to a new account or wanted to send a playlist to a friend so they can actually keep and edit it themselves. First one, we'll be using a tool called Playlist Go for this. It's a desktop app. You'll see two panels. On the left side is your source platform, and on the right side is your destination platform. Since we're transferring between two YouTube Music accounts, this could be your own second account or a friend's account, you'll need to log into both accounts first. Start by choosing the source YouTube Music account on the left side. Once you're in, you'll immediately see all your playlists and albums. Now just select one or more playlists you want to transfer. Then move over to the right side and choose the destination YouTube Music account. This could be your new account or your friend's account if you're sharing playlists with them. Now click Transfer. Playlist Go will start matching all the songs in your playlist. Once the matching is complete, you'll be able to review which songs were successfully matched. Then just confirm the transfer and your playlist will be recreated in the destination account. The second method, if you don't want to use a third-party tool, there's also a manual way inside YouTube Music itself. First, go to your source account and open the playlist you want to share. Click the three dots in the top right corner, then select Share and copy the link. Next, switch to your destination account. Paste the link into the search or top input bar. The playlist will show up. Click the three dots again and choose Save to Playlist. Then simply create a new playlist or add it to an existing one. And that's it. Both accounts will now have the playlist and both can edit it independently. So depending on your situation, you can either use Playlist Go for a full transfer or the built-in sharing method for a quick manual setup.